Hey, it's day 6 of the challenge and let's create this. So, I'll be using this element to create the screen. Take a mobile frame and paste image to it. Adjust it and resize it by holding Command key. Add this illustration heading and button. Now add these group of pods or leaf, you can say, and push it all the way to the top so that it will be invisible. Do the same for the heading, push it to the bottom. And for button, create a parent frame and shift it to the bottom so it will also be invisible. Now let's copy the frame and basically show all the hidden elements here. Now bring all the plants to the bottom. One by one, you can unclip content to do it. Not all together because then we will not see that effect that we wanted. Now finally let's connect first screen to the second with the delay of 1 ms and smart animate of 1500 ms with custom option. So paste this and we are done. Let's try this. I hope you like it.